I heard about the programme via email blast for the Taster Day, actually, and I came to the Taster Day and found it very beneficial.
Our HR director introduced me and recommended me to the programme, and I want to be able to influence more at a senior level.
The elements that I found most valuable, I would say initially the marketing metrics, how we measure the effectiveness of what we're doing. On the first day, the customer experience, which is a passion of mine anyway, and the political awareness, which is not a skill set that I've dedicated much time to thinking about before.
As we move towards a customer-centric focus within our business, I found the shareholder value-added session most valuable, as I think that will help us deliver that focus. I think the long-term benefit will be a clearly defined marketing strategy that will be aligned to our business goals.
In the long term, this will change our business as we build more cohesive strategic marketing plans. We already have marketing plans in place, but they only look at part of the picture, and actually going forward with the skills that I've learned during this course, I'm going to be able to join up the marketing plan with the business intelligence board, bring the whole picture together.
Actually, networking with like-minded people is not very often where you get to network with your peers, so being with other marketing professionals was the best part for me.
If you're considering the Marketing Directors Programme, come with an open mind and think thoroughly about all of the topics that are covered.
I'd advise to go for it. It's a really comprehensive programme, and I've found some valuable insights that I'll be able to take back to the business with me.